The Netherlands, the Low Countries, where water is never far away. A small country with huge significance for birds. Millions of them. Birds that feed on the rich clays, on the shellfish, on the insects, on the grass. But you may spot very different birds depending on the season. Many of the birds that nest in the Netherlands fly south in autumn, some even to tropical Africa. So when finally the first winter snows arrive, is this on an empty landscape? To the contrary. The fields, the wetlands, the riverbanks, the coasts are teeming with life, new life, other birds, other species. Species that flew in from the north, the high north, shortly after the summer birds had gone. Today we spotted many of them in their comfortable Winter Valhalla, the floodbanks of the Nederrijn. Early December snow already melted, showing huge stores of fresh green grass and other plants, enough for thousands of grazing species. These are Barnacle geese mostly, born on the Russian tundra. Easily recognizable with the black necks and chest and bright white heads. A trained eye can spot many other typical winter geese in between, like the greater white-fronted goose, the one with the clear white dot on its forehead. In total, about 10 different Arctic goose species winter in the Netherlands, some in very large groups and some relatively rare. So how long do these birds stay? That depends on two things: the weather and their instincts. Many geese stay close to the so-called frost line, which means if true winter reaches the Netherlands, many will fly further south to quickly reappear when the thaw sets in. That's why these groups of geese are actually constantly on the move, scrambling, forming groups in the air, circling a bit, only to settle for the next field, just one riverbank away. At some point at the end of winter, their instincts tell them it's time. Soon the tundra snows will melt again, and that exact moment is important for the geese, because the earliest spring grass is the most nutritious. No goose therefore wants to be late for their carefully planned return trip. First along the Baltic coasts, and then on to the high north. Next time you step outside, wherever you live, the first thing you see, be it a tree or a leaf or a bird, there is always a bigger story underneath. And these stories are countless.